Hi guys, I'm here to walk you through your second OSNAP challenge. This one is really to get more practice with all the commands and to go over tangent and quadrant and for you guys to really hone in on the differences between a tangent and a quadrant. So looking at a circle, this is your whole assignment here. I've included some dimensions for you. But to just make it a little easier, we're going to turn the dimensions off, which you guys can't do, but I'll give you the two different files for that. If something is starting at a quadrant, that's down here is starting at a quadrant, because you can see the quadrant is talking about how the 4 quadrant points of a circle, north, east, south, and west, if you will. If something is at the quadrant, you can tell that it comes to a single point on the circle and then goes to another single point on the circle. But if it's a tangent, you can't really tell definitively where the line starts. So that's the big difference between quadrant and tangent, if you're not familiar with those terms before. So your goal is to recreate this image. I want to go over a couple other commands. I'm going to turn dimensions back. Oh, sorry. Turn it back on. Just because I have some things practiced over here. So if I want to copy something, say I need these circles repeated multiple times, there's this copy button. You do have to specify the base point or telling you where you're going to control the copy. So I'm going to choose the center so that I can just snap it to wherever I need it to be. Okay, so that's copy, and you can select one object, right? You can select one object and move it here, or you can select the multiple objects like I had done. So that I think is helpful in this assignment. The other thing that I really like, so let's go ahead and copy this and move it down here. And then I'm actually going to delete this just for ease. I want to show you mirror. So that's going to create a mirrored copy of selected objects. So we want to mirror this line, this, and this. So it's on the other side. So I select the objects, and then I select mirror. And then it says select first point of mirror line. And I want to select the center. So then I can move things over to the other side. Erase source objects. I want to select no, because if I erase them, then that's going to get rid of this side. But if I select, so that's yes, but no means to keep it. So then I can do the assignment where I only do like half of it, and then I mirror everything to the other side that needs to be mirrored. So those are some options. One thing that I hope you guys are getting better at is paying attention to when you're doing a command, what it's asking you to do. So say I select this and I go trim. So it says select object to trim. And so that's where you want to make sure you're paying attention to what you're doing, because sometimes you can do it where you select trim and it says select objects. So then when you press enter, that will move you through that command process. And that's a really big trick to learn in AutoCAD is the program tells you what to do, you just have to know where to look and what to figure out. Another good place to look is down here when you have more options. So I hope you guys are getting familiar with AutoCAD. Let me know if you have any questions and good luck. This is Object Snapping Challenge 2.